Welcome to 2025 Yamaha R1, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the world of speed and precision with an overview of the 2025 Yamaha R1, a machine that's redefining performance and style. Introduction to the 2025 Yamaha R1. The 2025 Yamaha R1 is a masterpiece of engineering, combining cutting-edge technology with racing pedigree. Built for riders who crave both thrill and control, this superbike has been designed to dominate on the track and turn heads on the streets. Let's explore what makes it a standout in its class. Performance and power. At the heart of the 2025 R1 lies a 998cc inline-4 engine with cross-plane technology, delivering a jaw-dropping 200 horsepower. Enhanced with Yamaha's MotoGP-inspired electronics, it features ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and a sophisticated 6-axis EMU that powers its advanced traction control, slide control, and cornering ABS. This ensures both explosive performance and maximum rider confidence. Design and aerodynamics. The R1's sleek and aggressive design isn't just about looks, it is crafted for aerodynamics. Its revamped fairing reduces drag and improves airflow, making it incredibly stable at high speeds. LED lighting and sharp bodywork give it a futuristic edge, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long rides. Advanced technology. Yamaha has taken innovation to the next level with the 2025 R1. A full-color TFT display offers intuitive access to data and settings, while the Quick Shift System, QSS, ensures seamless upshifts and downshifts. For track enthusiasts, the R1 also features a launch control system and customizable suspension settings for peak performance. Braking and handling. Stopping power is unmatched, thanks to the Brembo radial calipers and dual 320mm discs. Combined with lightweight aluminum components and a race-tuned suspension, the R1 offers razor-sharp handling that lets you carve corners with precision and stability. Why choose the 2025 Yamaha R1? Whether you're a seasoned racer or an avid enthusiast, the 2025 Yamaha R1 delivers an unparalleled riding experience. It's not just a bike, it's a statement of power, technology, and innovation. With its blend of performance, style, and features, the R1 continues to set the benchmark in this superbike segment. Thanks for watching 2025 Yamaha R1. Be sure to subscribe for more updates, reviews, and in-depth looks at the world's most exciting bikes. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.